Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. In this installment we have a real tongue twister for me to say, so this is Siegen Tools by Sealey screwdriver set. The Hammer-Thru screwdrivers. They're pretty good. Let me just bring this one a bit closer for you. I'll give you a close look on the desk in just a second. But yeah, they're pretty good little screwdrivers. And yeah, so we have some Allen keys as well with it. More on those in a minute, and some bits. It also comes with this lovely stand, which I'll talk about first, and then I can change the camera angle. This stand is quite good. It's got a screw hole, so you can hang it up on the wall if you want. So in the workshop, you can stand it on the workbench or hang it up on the wall. I'm going to take these out of this for a moment and put them in my toolbox. So let's get a screwdriver. We'll grab one of the big ones, and then we'll adjust the camera. And there we are. So I've had these for a few months now. I really do like how they feel in the hand. They're quite comfortable and quite good to hold. And yeah, they've got a hex-shaped shaft as well, so you can put a spanner on these. So I believe there's around 8mm for the bigger size, and the other size vary. But for the big size, about 8mm. And they are colour coded, so for instance all the blue ones are Phillips, and then the greens are Posi, and orange are the Toolbox, and red are the flathead ones. Let me just quickly pop back up for you. So yeah, out on the grey one in the middle is a bit driver. Just quickly show you that. That's where the bits are at the front. There's a selection of bits as well, so let me quickly run through those. We've got a 7, an 8, a 9, a 10, a 15 and a 20, so quite a big selection of Torx bits really. And then a 3, a 4, 5 and 6 in hex. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, back to the screwdriver now. Oh, so you've actually mentioned about the 2 sets of Allen keys to get with this. You come with 2 sets of Allen keys as well. So you get a metric and an imperial. So this is the metric and this is the imperial, or standard for our American friends. And yeah, pretty handy. You never know when you need a standard or imperial size Allen key. And those used to have Allen keys. They come in a variety of different uses. And yeah, so now moving on back onto the screwdrivers. As I was saying, I really like how they feel in the hand. I also like the hex-shaped shaft. I really like the magnet one. Let me just grab a screwdriver. So you can see they work fairly well picking up screws. Certainly not going to let them fall out. Let me just quickly put that in there. It's a bit too big for that one. Let me grab a slightly smaller screwdriver. This is a Phillips number 2. As you can see, fairly good, fairly solid grip. So as you know, on YouTube you're required by law, if you've got a screwdriver set that you're showing off, you have to put it into a piece of wood. So let me just quickly pop it into a pre-drill hole, just to make it easier. And let me just get this lined up. It's hard to do on camera because you're not actually in front of it, and I'm quite a long extension because I'm right behind the camera. But yeah, fairly good. Good amount of pressure, and it goes in fairly easily. Again, I really like how these feel in the hand. That's a really nice feature to them. Yeah, that's just screwing. Let me just quickly adjust the angle so you can see me taking it out. If I don't think it's the most exciting part, but you have to do it by law. They also got these metal caps on the end, all of them apart from the bit holder, or the bit driver, so to say. So this one hasn't got a metal cap through, but the rest of these, I'll show you that in just a second. Leave it down there for a second. You can hammer on. You see, it's got a few scuffs where I've done a few bangs. That's great for getting into those slightly rusty screws and other fasteners. Just put it in, give it a gentle couple of taps, and then it knocks it in further and seats it in better into the screw. You can also, if you have a spanner on these, you can use it as a sort of shake and break. So hold it with a spanner and twist with the spanner while you're tapping it. You can sometimes break loose really stubborn fasteners. Really good tip for brake caliper bolts or brake disc bolts, so to say, screws, whatever you want to call them. Let me just grab a quick bit. And yeah, so they fit in really nicely. They hold fairly securely in this lovely bit holder. It's actually quite a nice bit holder. I built a desk with this not too long ago. And yeah, pretty good. I've had them for a few months as well, so I've had quite a good chance to test them. And yeah, so like I said, you get a variety of different bits. Let me just adjust the camera again for you. Up and down. But yeah, so we have, like I said, 5 of these flathead bits. Flathead screwdrivers, so to say. And they're fairly nice. They've got a nice, good feel to the hand. Even this really small, dinky one is fairly nice. Obviously, you've got your big screwdriver. Yeah, and they're fairly nice. And I do like how the shafts are actually fairly centered and they're not too off. Sometimes you can get like they're not in the middle and it just looks weird, but we put a bit of effort into these ones with Siegen. And they are covered by a lifetime warranty, so that's good. I believe it's limited to certain things, like if you misuse them they don't cover you, but as a whole, lifetime warranty. We also have Torx in here, so these are the all lovely orange ones. And this is a T40, which is really handy. And yeah, so it's got a nice fitting to them, nice Torx. And then we've got our poly drive, which are the lovely green handles, which are just here. I'm just showing you the big ones mainly because they show better on camera. And again, they've all got these lovely stripe through caps, so you can really wipe well on them if you need to, which is quite nice. Also, you may have noticed they have this small hex plastic bit at the end. I have had a spanner on that. I wouldn't recommend it, but you can if you need to. And yeah, pretty good little set. So just before I give you my final thoughts, I just want to show you this picture with all the different screwdrivers and bits you get in this set. Feel free to pause it so you can have a closer look. I really enjoyed using these screwdrivers. I've used them a fair bit. I'm very happy with them. I do like how they feel in my hand, and again that's the main key of a screwdriver, is get one that feels nice in your hand. I can't recommend these highly really, any more highly. They're really good little screwdriver sets. I'm going to give them a 4 spanner rating, so you'll see 4 spanners pop up here. We do half spanners, that would be a bit barbaric, otherwise it would be 4.5. But yeah, very nice, and yeah, I really do like it. Really good set. If you need a set of screwdrivers for the workshop or for your toolbox, pick these up. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps both the channel and me out. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I post 2 videos a week, so by subscribing you'll never miss a thing. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Here at W Repairs, we're all about helping you learn how to work on your vehicle safely and showing you don't need to spend a fortune on tools to get the job done. Want to support the channel further? Become a member, starting at just 99p. Members get perks like early access to videos and more exclusive content. Keep fixing, and I'll see you in the next one.